Hi everyone, welcome to goldfries. This is the T-Force Dark Z Alpha 16GB kit, two 8GB sticks, 3600 MHz CL18. It retails at just RM 379, which is less than US 90, and it is without RGB. Look at it, I've always adored RAM kits without RGB, but I wasn't totally pleased with it because when you load the XMP settings, it performs horrible. Sure, bandwidth wise, it shouldn't be affected because it's 3600 MHz, but if you're running tasks that are latency, depending on the latency, then it sucks, because when you load XMP, it actually performs even lesser than my 2666 MHz kit. But if you put effort to tune it, as what I did, I didn't manage to get it to go higher than 3600, but I did manage to tighten the timings and sub-timings, and check out the benchmarks. It actually performs pretty well. So basically, it's not outright a no-go for this kit because I like it. I like it because the design is nice, it has no RGB, and it's affordable. And it has 3600 MHz. On the downside is the XMP profile settings being weak because of the loose timings, but when you put effort into it, you will be rewarded. It is a reasonable performance at that price point, and yes, no RGB LED. So overall, I'm giving it a silver badge. And that's all for me for my review of this T-Force Dark Z Alpha 3600 MHz. Remember, if you're running load or based on the XMP, no, don't buy it. But if you are willing to go through some effort to tune your RAM kit, then yes, this is a potential candidate for you to consider. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.